Let us see the second sum. For second sum, they were given one equation, then they given one data. At various time intervals, what is the concentration of NO and Cl2? What is the rate of the formation of NOCl? That is given in data in your book. With the use of this reaction, I will write that rate of that reaction. So rate equal to K, concentration of NO power M, then concentration of Cl2 power N. Usually we have to use power M and N only to find the order of the reaction. If they ask rate of the reaction, we can use the coefficient, but now here we are going to find the order of the reaction, so we can use only the reactant. Power of the reactant will be M and N. So with the use of given data, I will make this three equations. With the use of first data, I will make this equation 8.8 in 7.8 into 10 power minus 5 equal to K 0.1 power M, then 0.1 power N. This consider as a first equation. Then 3.12 into 10 power minus 4 equal to K 0.2 power M into 0.1 power N. This consider as a second equation. Then 9.36 into 10 power minus 4 equal to K 0.2 power M, then 0.3 power M. This is a third equation. To find the value of M and N, I am going to use different ways of dividing. So, first third equation is going to divided by second equation. So, 9.36 into 10 power minus 4 divided by 3.12 into 10 power minus 4 equal to K 0.2 power M, then 0.3 power N divided by K 0.2 power M into 0.1 power N. Now I am going to cancel this equation. This 10 power minus 4 will be cancelled. K and K will be cancelled. 0.2 will be cancelled. If I cancel this, I can get 3. So 3 equal to 0.3 power N divided by 0.1 power N. This like that only. 3 divided by 1. 3 divided by 1 means 3. So these two numbers also have equal digits, so we can write as a 3. 3 equal to 3 power N. Here bases are equal, so power also equal. N equal to 1. So I find the value of N as 1. Then I am going to find the value of M. To find the value of M, second equation is going to divided by first equation. In first equation, the rate is 7.8 into 10 power minus 5. In second equation, the rate is 3.12 in 10 power minus 4. To equal this 10 power, I am going to adjust this digit in first equation. If I move this digit in front of 7, one digit is moving. So here I am going to decrease one number, less one number. So I am write like that, 0.78 into 10 power minus 4 divided by 3.12 in 10 power minus 4 equal to K 0.2 power M into 0.1 power N divided by K 0.1 power M into 0.1 power N. Now we are going to cancel this. K and K will be cancelled, this and this. If I cancel this, I will get 4. So 4 equal to 0.2 divided by 0.1. So this can convert as 2. 4 equal to 2 power M. 4 I can write as 2 power 2. So 2 equal to, here M equal to 2. Powers, bases are same, so power automatically is going to equal. So M equal to 2. And finally, we are going to find the overall order of the reaction with the use of N and M. So m value 2, n value 1. If I add these two, I will get the answer for overall order of the reaction, that is 3. Once again I recall today's class. In today's class we saw 2 problems. In the 2 problems also they ask us to find overall order of the reaction. For this they were given some data. With the use of the data we will make some equations and we have to follow the rules of finding overall order of the reaction. Thank you, students.